My entitled neighbor learned why you don't threaten a lawyer's family. My neighbor Bartholomew had been harassing my 8-year-old daughter for months. Every time she played in our backyard, he'd scream over the fence about noise violations and threaten to call police on a child for laughing during normal daytime hours. The harassment escalated when he started recording my daughter and posting videos online with captions like evidence of neighborhood disturbance and why parents need to control their brats. He was cyberbullying an elementary school student. But the breaking point came when Bartholomew climbed our fence, walked onto our property, and screamed at her for trespassing on his peace and quiet until she ran inside crying. When I found my daughter terrified to go outside, I knew it was time to handle this legally. What Bartholomew didn't know was that I'm a family law attorney specializing in harassment and child protection cases. I started documenting everything professionally. Security cameras captured his trespassing and intimidation, and I discovered his social media posts violated several cyberbullying laws. The next time Bartholomew started yelling at my daughter, I walked outside with legal documents. Bartholomew, I need to serve you with something. This is a cease and desist order for harassment of a minor, trespassing, and cyberbullying, I said calmly. You have 24 hours to remove all videos of my daughter, or face legal action. Bartholomew laughed and tore up the papers. You can't stop me from documenting noise violations, but he'd just destroyed legal documentation in front of witnesses. Actually, you've been recording my minor child without consent, which violates state privacy laws. You also trespassed to intimidate her, which constitutes criminal harassment. I showed him screenshots of his social media posts. These videos with derogatory captions constitute cyberbullying of a minor, which carries felony charges in our state. The color drained from his face as he realized he wasn't dealing with just an angry parent, but someone who understood exactly which laws he'd broken. Within 48 hours, I filed restraining order paperwork, criminal complaints for trespassing and harassment, and civil suits for invasion of privacy and emotional distress. The restraining order was granted immediately. Bartholomew was prohibited from approaching my daughter, recording her, or posting about our family. Violation meant immediate arrest. The real consequences came when his employer saw the court documents. Bartholomew worked at a school district with zero tolerance for employees who harassed children. He was suspended immediately. During the criminal trial, I presented professionally documented evidence, time-stamped videos, social media screenshots, witness statements, and medical records of my daughter's anxiety. Bartholomew was convicted of criminal harassment and cyberbullying. He received 2 years probation, mandatory anger management, and a permanent restraining order. He also lost his school job. The civil lawsuit resulted in $15,000 in damages for therapy costs and emotional distress. The judge noted that adults who target children face enhanced penalties. My daughter can now play outside without fear, and Bartholomew sold his house within 6 months. Other parents started coming to me for legal advice about similar harassment issues.